Hi, Mini Masco team here to introduce you to our Virtual Careers Week.
Did you know that almost every job uses your basic maths skills day to day? Check out this range of videos to see how maths is used in a variety of jobs from STEM to hair and beauty.
And remember, maths counts.
Enjoy.
Hi, my name's Chris Goodwill and I'm the Commercial Officer for Nexus Open Systems Limited. And we're based in Exeter and we're one of the top Microsoft partners working across the UK and into Europe. In my role as Commercial Officer, I work on bids and frameworks, and for those I use mathematics quite a lot. So I have to look at project costs for bids in terms of quantities and the cost of products that are going into a bid, and also the pricing to make sure that we're going to make a profit but also offer good value to clients. On frameworks, I have to report on financial spend every month, so that involves quite a bit of figure work and reporting from some of our systems. I also work on new product and service development, and when you're doing that you need to look at the viability of services and products, so you need to factor in all the costs internally and make sure that we're going to make a profit again, and equally that it's going to be good value to the market and compete well. And one of the other things I do is partner management, and in terms of partners I have to look at the pipeline of sales that are going on and make sure that we're selling what we hope to for those partnerships, and also grow the partnership. So we're looking to grow sales, so I track spend from clients on certain products and services, monitoring it and reporting it to partners like Microsoft, Audio Codes, Workstream people. So I hope you enjoyed this video about my role at Nexus.